gorgeous. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do your nails at home. So today we're going to be doing our nail tutorial. I purposely do not have this fingernail done just so I can grab stuff better. So we're going to be doing this hand. So starting off, you're going to need your nail pieces, and we're using this brand today. It has a lot of different sizes, and once you get your nail piece, you're going to want to match it up and see if it covers sidewall to sidewall. That's how you know it fits. But personally, I like to size down just a little bit. The edges do show, but it creates the narrow look to your nails, which I personally like a lot. First off, you're going to need a nail drill. If you don't have a nail drill, you can use a regular nail file. The brand that I'm using is Susie, and this is also not sponsored. You're going to want to shave the inside of here slightly, just so it sticks better. I'm only roughing it up a little bit. After that, clear the dust from each one. Next, you're going to want to get a base coat. The one that I have is Gershon. It came in a polygel nail set. And you're going to want to apply it to the inside of each nail piece and then cure it onto your fingernails for about 30 seconds. I'm also right-handed, so this is going to be a little bit difficult for me, but I'm going to try my best. Next, we're going to get our white color. The brand I'm using is Gellen. And again, I'm using my left hand, but I'm actually right-handed, so hopefully this doesn't turn out too bad. Something that I like to do when I'm painting my nails is I don't automatically start from over here. Instead, I like to push up and then drag down. Okay, this one too, I'm just gonna place my brush down, press it down gently, and then go up towards my cuticle area, then bring the brush down again. And then if I see if there's an empty space, I just gently push up again and do that. And then we're going to go and cure our hand for 1 minute. Okay, and then we're gonna do our second coat. Now with this hand, I wanted to go ahead and do something different by adding the water droplet, or the droplet majiggy thingy design that I did on this one onto this finger over here. So we're gonna go back into this and grab our pink color, and then I'm gonna add some to the paper towel. I'm going to be using these. I got them off of eBay. Again, I'm using my left hand, but I am right-handed, so don't judge me. I'm actually gonna grab a different one. Lastly, we're going to get our top coat from Gershon and apply it to all our fingers. There we have it.